Alright, YouTube, back at jandjsportscards. We got yet another box of Exquisite rookies. There's the box right there. Nice. Get Pete tear into that. We got last box Pete opened up had the redemption for Dice K. See what we get in box 2. Another one little twisted up, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. See if we can top the Dice K. It's going to be tough. I got no music on. It's quiet in this break. Alright. Base on top is Adrian Gonzalez. Numbered to 99. 41 to 99. Next, Ben Francisco for Philly fans. Alrighty. Oh, I like that already. Number to, oh, real nice, dude. Number 9 to 10. Giovanni Gallardo and Felix Hernandez. 9 of 10. Really nice. Oh, nice patches. Damn. 3 of them. You grab this. You know what, Pete? It's John Maine, but 3 of 14 is the numbering. Check out the patchwork, man. That is sick. That might be the T and the S upside down right there in Mets. Really nice patch of John Maine. Nice. Giovanni Gallardo, 9 of 10. And the back card, another Yunel Escobar, numbered 6 of 15. Nice box. Yunel Escobar to 15. John Maine, really sick Met patches. We're not Mets fans in this area, but it's all good. 9 of 10, Giovanni Gallardo. Another 9 of 10, Gallardo, Felix Hernandez, and Adrian Gonzalez base. And let's not forget the Fighting Phil, Ben Francisco. Stay tuned, YouTube.